For years, harnessing the full potential of SAP has come with challenges. Not anymore. It's time to take control because the era of no-code EAM has arrived. Introducing Sigga Empower, the world's first no-code application platform with truly no-code SAP integration. Embedded with our world-class mobile EAM solution, coding is now history. You can easily create, modify, and deploy apps in minutes, be enterprise-ready immediately, and scale to meet demands without extra costs. No more customization. No more delays. Simply use an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that's designed for mobile workflows to streamline processes and automate operations interconnected with multiple systems. It sounds too easy, but it's true. With our proprietary no-code platform, everything you need for asset management is right at your fingertips. No SAP experience or programming needed. With Sigga, you can bring Empower to the people. Take charge at Sigga.com.